Done. Like crazy.
If something were to happen to him, I didn't never respond or acted like I cared. The guilt would be
Those are so weird.
overwhelming to me. It's not worth it.
It's crazy. It was just really windy. I couldn't make a video. Like, it's thundering like crazy out here. Oh. I just watered the trees, like, not before it started. It's crazy. Oh, wait. Is it just big rain, or is that hail? Oh, it's just rain. But it looks like hail. It's getting really bad out here. Wait for it. It should be stopping. Why did that piece of grass hop? What the? Is there something moving? It's probably just the wind. It's like crazy out here. Get out here, bug. I'm waiting for like that one loud clagger. Really loud. Oh wait, it's stunning hail? Nah. Look down there. Like it's raining like crazy down there. Oh, look at that tree. Look at the leaf. That came off of my little tree over there. Oh, it's thundering like crazy. Wait, it starts settle down. Look at that rotted wood. That tree looks like it's blowing. Yeah, it's crazy out here. That's why I'm not staying outside.